Japan, located in East Asia, is an island nation known for its rich cultural heritage. It's famous for its traditional arts, cuisine, and technological innovations. The culture of Japan is unique and diverse. It includes traditional arts like origami and ikebana, and popular practices such as manga and anime. Japanese cuisine is renowned worldwide. Sushi, ramen, and tempura are some popular dishes. The food is known for its freshness and presentation. Japan leads in technology, with inventions like bullet trains and robotics. It is a hub for innovation and technological development. Japan is a fascinating country with a rich culture, delicious cuisine, and advanced technology. It continues to influence the world through its unique contributions. Japanese is a complex language with three scripts: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. While hiragana and katakana are phonetic scripts, kanji is a set of characters borrowed from Chinese. The language also employs honorifics, reflecting the hierarchical nature of Japanese society. Shinto and Buddhism are the two primary religions in Japan, often coexisting within the same individual's belief system. Shinto, an indigenous religion, focuses on nature worship and ritual practices to establish connections with the ancient world. Buddhism, introduced from China and Korea around the 6th century, emphasizes enlightenment through meditation and ethical living.